What's up, fellow finch keepers? So welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we got some sad news. As you can see, there's no more zebra finches here. It's because I moved them in the mini aviary, and the other reason is because the pair here at the bottom corner, I lost them. They got escaped, and yeah, it's because the door was slightly open and they got out from our breeding cages. And yeah, so I decided to move all our zebra finches in our mini aviary to stop the breeding and just condition them for our next season of breeding. And yeah, one more thing is our farfinches. So I'll show you guys. So as you can see, if you look closely, there's only 2 farfinches in there. So last time we got 8, so there's only 2 left, a male and a female. So the 5 farfinches, they died during the thunderstorm because we recently got strong thunderstorm and rain, and because of that they died because they love resting near the water there. And yeah, they got wet and they got cold, they died during the thunderstorm. So after that, there's only a female and 2 males. But last week I was feeding the birds and I forgot to close this door. So when I opened the door, it was gone. And yeah, there's only 2 left farfinches. They're really good, they're really fast. It's hard to catch them when they escape. And yeah, but our society finches, they're doing good. And these zebra finches are okay. When I moved them here in our mini aviary, they seem to be really happy. They've been singing, they've been courting some females, and yeah, really sad to say that our farfinches there's only 2 left. So but in the future, if we have a chance and time to continue breeding them, we'll buy more. But for now, we'll have 2 because they're a bit tricky to keep. Sometimes when there's only few food to eat and they don't like the seed, they won't eat it. But yeah, they will starve to death and they die. So another sad news is our African lovebirds. As you can see, there's only 3 of them left. So the other one died. I don't know what was the cause of his death, but I just saw him at the bottom of the cage. He was weak when I saw him, and I tried to move him to the perch while the others are eating. But yeah, when I come back after I left, I just saw him dead and cold at the bottom of the cage. So really sad, but tomorrow I will get a blue male, like the one in the middle will get a blue male. So yeah, it's really sad that we have those bad news, but we'll try harder next time. We'll get more success, hopefully, and soon we'll have more success. And I hope you guys continue to support me and watch my videos, share them. I would really appreciate those support. And yeah, about our aviary, we got our roof now, as you can see. But yeah, it's still not done. I'm still working on different stuff, but soon time will come, the aviary will be done. I've been planting some trees, small trees, and I'm making waterfalls there. And yeah, I'm gonna renovate the cages in there to make it easier to feed them and to avoid losing some birds. And yeah, that's all guys for today. That's our update, and we don't have any successful in breeding yet. But last time our fledglings, they also died in the thunderstorm. So that's two fledglings, and they died in thunderstorm, and it's really sad, but really unfortunate. But yeah, soon I will promise you guys we'll have more success in the future, because the season is we're in winter, so the birds are not really into breeding, but some birds are okay in every season. But yeah, our birds right now are not really in good condition, so we'll put them in the right condition to breed and to have more success. So yeah, that's all for today guys. Thank you again for watching, and see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys.